Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 2-foot ladder is probably one of the most surprisingly essential tools you can have around the house, offering that perfect boost for reaching high shelves, changing light bulbs, or tackling small DIY projects without the bulk of a full-sized ladder, making everyday tasks safer and significantly more convenient for anyone who values efficiency and accessibility in their home or workspace. Number 5. Little Giant Safety Step 2-Step Stool 10210BA. This aluminum step stool is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to move around. Its non-slip staircase design ensures both comfort and ease of use for any task. A robust safety handrail significantly increases your stability, especially when you're working on the top step. Its wide, slip-resistant steps are designed to provide extra comfort and security. It features extra-wide, slip-resistant feet, ensuring a firm grip on various surfaces. This makes it particularly perfect for safely working over challenging areas like grates. Moving it from one location to another is a breeze, thanks to its convenient tip and glide wheels. These allow for easy transportation from job to job without heavy lifting. This stool boasts an impressive ANSI Type IA 300 pounds duty rating, ensuring it's built to last. It's a 2-foot stepladder with a top width of 1 foot 6 inches, providing a stable platform for your tasks. What we like. This step stool prioritizes user safety and convenience. Its integrated safety handrail and wide, slip-resistant steps provide exceptional stability. If you frequently move your ladder around or need extra security when working, this one is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 4. Little Giant Ladders Jumbo Step 2-Step Stool. This step stool boasts an impressive 375 pounds duty rating, ensuring robust support for various tasks. You can trust its strength for all your demanding projects. Its innovative portable staircase design makes climbing and descending effortlessly smooth. You'll appreciate the stability and ease of use it offers. Experience full foot support, perfect for those jobs that require extended periods of standing. It provides comfort and stability, allowing you to focus on your work. Equipped with wide shoes, it delivers exceptional traction, even when working above drains and grates. This feature enhances safety and prevents slips. Despite its robust capabilities, it features a new lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to move and position. This combination of strength and portability is truly remarkable. What we like. This ladder boasts an impressive 375 pounds duty rating, making it incredibly robust. Its full foot support and staircase design ensure comfort during extended use. If you require a high weight capacity or need to stand for longer periods, this heavy-duty option is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted for the 2-foot ladder. Number 3. SORFEY 2-Step Folding Aluminum Ladder. Introducing the perfect solution for reaching new heights in your home, office, or garage. This handy aluminum ladder is designed to assist you with various tasks, from cleaning and painting to accessing high shelves. It's an ideal choice for any setting. Experience superior security with its anti-slip ribbed steps, crafted from high-quality brushed aluminum. These steps provide both strength and a modern aesthetic. You can trust it to keep you steady. Its rubberized feet prevent slipping and protect your floors from scratches during use. Plus, the extra-large, oversized top platform offers a safe, stable, and comfortable standing area, reducing fatigue during longer tasks. Built from an ultra-lightweight yet incredibly strong and durable aluminum frame, it's designed to meet all your needs. This heavy-duty product supports up to 250 pounds, ensuring reliability. Say goodbye to bulky ladders. Its slim, space-saving design allows it to fold to a compact size, barely 2 inches thick. This makes storage incredibly easy in narrow places like your pantry or garage. Being lightweight and having a slim profile makes transporting it a breeze. This foldable step stool is perfect for any project, whether you're at home or on the go. What we like. This ladder combines sleek aesthetics with ultimate space-saving design. Its ultra-slim profile folds to just 2 inches, making storage effortless. If you value modern design and need a ladder that can be easily tucked away, this stylish choice is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. OOSOFITT 2-step folding ladder. This folding step stool features a well-designed triangular structure for maximum stability. Its non-slip steps and rubber footpads ensure heightened safety, preventing slips and falls. Crafted from high-quality iron and plastic, it boasts a reinforced support structure. This ensures it can safely hold up to 330 pounds, remaining firm and unbent during use. With a 17-inch high top step, it helps you reach new heights with ease. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, it can also double as a stylish display stand. You can open and fold it in just seconds, making it incredibly convenient. Weighing only 7.5 pounds, its lightweight design makes it easy for anyone, including children, to carry and use. This small step stool folds down to a mere 2 inches wide. This compact design makes it effortless to store in tight spaces like closets, behind doors, or even in an RV. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and lifelong after-sales service. If you encounter any issues, prompt and effective solutions are guaranteed for your satisfaction. What we like. This step stool offers exceptional stability with its triangular structure and reinforced support. It's also incredibly lightweight at just 7.5 pounds, making it easy for anyone to carry. If you prioritize maximum stability and effortless portability for various household tasks, this is a great fit. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. No detailed product features found in the provided source. Number 1. ACSTEP 2-step aluminum folding ladder. Introducing the ACSTEP 2-step folding ladder. It's built from lightweight aluminum, making it incredibly easy to carry around your home. Despite its light build, it remains strong, sturdy, and durable for all your tasks. This innovative ladder folds down compactly to just 1.7 inches in width. You can conveniently store it in narrow spaces, under a bed, or neatly tucked away in a corner, keeping your home clutter-free. Enhance your home decor with its high-quality wood grain print. It blends seamlessly with any wood-themed interior, offering the beauty of wood without the worry of rot. It's not just a tool, but also a stylish display stool. Safety is paramount. This ladder features anti-slip feet for added stability and to protect your floors from scratches. With handrails and a robust design, it supports a maximum load of 350 pounds, ensuring secure use every time. From reaching high kitchen shelves to decorating for holidays or accessing ceiling fixtures, this versatile ladder is your perfect home companion. It makes every task easier and safer around the house. Don't let its lightweight fool you, this ladder is built to last. It can safely support a maximum load of 330 to 350 pounds, providing reliable assistance for various household needs. You can trust its sturdy construction. What we like. This ladder stands out with its unique classic wood look finish, blending seamlessly with home decor. It also features an integrated handle for easy carrying and folds to an incredibly slim 1.7 inches. If you desire a ladder that complements your interior design and offers super compact storage, this one is a perfect match. What people say. No reviews provided in the source. Please provide source reviews to extract points. No reviews provided in the source. Please provide source reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.